Assalamu alaikum. I'm Habib Sabah. Welcome to TDRA. Today we're going to discuss about digital awareness marketing. This is going to be an introductory session. We will have 6 different sessions. The first one is going to be introductory. The last session is going to be an conclusion. The second, third, fourth, and fifth session, we will discuss the tools of digital marketing and what is marketing in general. So please do follow with us all these sessions to get the benefit out of this workshop. Let's start with what is digital marketing. In advertising, we have four topics that we discuss about. The first one is called ATL, which is above the line, such as TV advertisements, newspapers, magazines, and so forth. The second topic is BTL, below the line, which considers gadgets and gift items, brochures that you find when you enter the supermarket. The third one will be TTL, which is combining both together. The ATL and BTL, for example, having a magazine, and inside the magazine they put you a sample of a perfume. And the last topic, which is digital marketing, which is really booming nowadays, which didn't start a very long time ago, but it shows to be the most effective marketing tool of all of them. So let's start by talking about what is digital marketing. Any marketing that uses gadgets and can be used by marketing specialists to convey promotional messages and measures its impact through your customer's journey. And all of this is by using technologies. Coming to that, digital marketing typically refers to marketing campaigns that appear on computer, phone, tablets, or others, such as smartphones or nowadays TVs. Why is digital marketing important? Businesses may believe that since they offer good products or services, it's just a matter of time that their customers can come and use their services and products. Now, the reach of digital marketing is much higher than any other tool in marketing. A simple example is that if we use ATL above the line, it is limited. For example, we live in Dubai. If I have a billboard, it's limited to those who have pass through their cars and check it out. But digital marketing has no limits, or it has limits, but the world is the limits. In order for us to understand what digital marketing and how it works, the first thing we have to do is to create awareness, to make people aware of the product and services that we offer. The second phase is to make them discover what is the product and service. Let them become curious about what we offer through production, through something that might attract them. The third part of series of, let's call it roadmap of the client, from creating awareness until usage, is to consider the client will have the consideration of using the service or product that we offer. The last phase is the conversion. So what is a conversion? I think you know it, but let me talk about it, let me facilitate it. It's such as a conversion rate, like 100 people watch the ad. Out of 100 people, 50 people discovered it and were interested in it. And out of these 50 people, 10 people considered, they have a consideration of using our services or product. And out of these 10 people, only 2 people actually, or 3 people tried it and were convinced to use the services and products that we have. The conversion rate here is 3%, 3%, 4%, 5%. That's what we consider as a conversion rate. So digital marketing it's a successful way to achieve meaningful results in business. But to get there, we need to understand what the strategy is about and how it works and the types of digital marketing that can be used. So if you want to boost your traffic and attract greater number of clients, or grow brand awareness, engage the teams or audience, it is essential to understand each type of digital market and who to target, the demography of in your plan. You have a plan, you have, the demography that you have to choose. We can use social media for different needs, but each channel is used for its different purpose. You can use Facebook to increase the awareness through videos, reviews, and many ways, demographically, for example. And you can use Twitter to get more questions, more talks, interactive and tweets about a certain idea or certain product or service. It is essential to understand which type of media or social media you want to use to reach your audience. Then we create the guide to help you learn more about the subject. Here you'll see each of the most effective types of digital marketing, their benefits and objectives, along with when and how to use each of them. So from the second part until the fifth part, we're going to discuss about whatever fits you. You have to choose whatever fits you actually. A simple example is UAE universities might be using Instagram more than using Facebook, whereas the government of the UAE, they're using Twitter the more than they're using Instagram and Facebook. That's a very simple example. And throughout these sessions that we're going to cover, we're going to discuss about the tools of digital marketing, the benefits of these tools, and it's up to you again to choose whatever social media, whatever tool fits you. And thank you so much for watching the intro. Thank you.